Salama. We will remember you through your deeds, sense of humor, and many lives that you touched. Rest in peace, Jakadianga. Thank you.
Check. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We still stand with the family during these trying times. Poleni sana, and may the good Lord be with each and every of us who are here and be with the family. Thank you so much, fellow mourners, for coming. Allow me also, on behalf of the family, to appreciate.
Mano en chenro mariko mar Captain mabene jariemba ndege mano owito ngimane Captain George, kendo chenro madhi nyime en mar kowe kare mogik mar jotelo mopogore opogore ne osechopo e ikono, kama bende kayango ni moko kuom jogo ma wantiere kod ler ni ne osechopo mar mondo mi ne oku kod familia anyuola ka achiel kod osiepe. Gin jotelo ma opogore opogore kama oting'o jatend duond bura mar PLP Martha Karua mabende ne osechopo kanyo. Bende wantiere kod ji mamoko ma opogore opogore moting'o jotelo ka achiel kod jod bura manyakach Aduma Owuor osechopo kuno. Wantiere kod ng'ano mabende en jatelo mar riwruok mar jogo ma gin joriemba ndeke mano retired Colonel Paul Denge mabende otelo ne kweth mar joriemb ndege ma ochopo mar mondo mi ochiw iwacho ni luor margi mogik iko mar Captain George Uwer. Bende king'iyo kanyo nitiere moko kuom jotelo mawuok e gwenge ma Kadianga ka achiel kod jopiny ma nitiere kanyo. Nitie jok ma bende higeno ni biro bedo gi thuolo mar chopo kuno, miyo gi thuolo mar mondo mi winjen to gibiro wacho ang'o e kindeno. Ka gi esani chenro madhi nyime en mar gwelo ji mondo mi ochiw neno margi ji ma opogore opogore. Iko mare en mano bende otimo gik e kweth mag ji abich mane oyudo masira ndege no mabende okawo ngima mane jaod bura mano ma Morwadi Kir Joanna Ng'eno mabende ne osekete kare mogik mar yweyo. Ji mamoko bende ne osekete kare mogik mar yweyo. Kata kamano familia margi ne okwayo mondo mi ne migi thuolo mar mondo mi ne giike bang'e kaluwore kod kido kod timbe mag oganda Luo. Omiyo chenro makamano en madhi nyime e wang' jowi mar kanyo. Odiochieng' manyoro ne ochopo e gwenge ma Kisumu kendo ne otimne alam e kanisa ma Catholic mantiere Nyabondo. Bang'e ne otere dala manitiere Olwa mabende nitiere Nyakach, kama ne gibedo kod arita. Otieno manyoro ne okwa ji mondo mi ochopi. Okinyi ma kawuono kweth mopogore opogore mag jotelo winjane gima bende ng'amne e wang' jowi mar kanyo. Victor Otieno Juma wacho,
Yule mtu wako wa mkono mmoja tu azungumze na Alan Obiero pale atupe register ya kuingia kwako. Tunaomba, atutaki hii place ikuwe na jam tafadhali. The late was a very organized person, and as such this service today must be very, very organized and everything must run seamlessly. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you very much, Victor. I may take this chance to recognize the presence and the arrival of Honorable Mbijataya. Amefika sasa hivi. Karibu sana ndugu yetu ambaye pia ni mgombeaji wa ubunge Nyakach. Pia tuna Dr. Tela ambaye amefika hapa. Ndugu yetu Daktari Phil, most welcome. We also recognize the presence of Honorable Iko Pete, MCA Kabonyo Kanyagwal, Honorable Millicent Omuya, MCA North Seme, Honorable Adonija Odari, MCA Chemelil Tam Ward, Regional Commissioner, Madam Florence is with us. Karibu sana, Regional Commissioner. Your staff supported us a lot. May I request Victor, this section is complex. Ni yako.
Thank you so much, brother. For the interest of time, nimeelezewa hapa.
Koromogi mano en chenro ma dhi nyime kendo wabro mi report motenore kod kaka gima kamano bro bedo ka timore mano iko mari kete kare mogik mar yweyo. Obedo kod report bende wecho manyien mag odhiambo. Ji ariyo nyo wito ngimagi kobila buora bende noyudo hinyruok kendo mwandu mathoth okethi e sendo obila ma Makalda e sub county ma Nyatike kinde ma rakruok nobedo e kind obila kod jopiny mane ba ong'anyo ka ywago rochruok mar arita kwe e gwenge ma Makalda. Ywak jopiny obiro bang' achiel kuom johala ne ochiel kod lisasi mowito ngimane otieno mar tarik 12 dweni. Jo Juma miyo ler.
Kendo arita kwe wacho ni gionge kod lipot mag ng'at moro amora mane ochiel kod magina mowito ngimane e kinde rakruok mane obedo e kind obila ka achiel kod jopiny mane omonjo tesend obila ma Makalda e sub-county ma Nyatike ka giywago rochruok mag arita kwe. Moko kuom familia gwego mag Makalda kod jopiny osewuok oko ka wach rawere ariyo ne owito ngimagi e kinde rakruokno.
Ni koro nyore ko suti nyamera ka eri ko e business ne sariyo pok oromo osesute ka achiel gi chuore pok otieko dwe kata dweche ariyo ochako suti ng'ama chielo ka jopiny oneno lit ma jopiny owuok mondo giyud ratichgi ochako negi ji matiende ni wan e Kenya mane
kwa national chakre be wasekwande DC Dio OCS OCPD omi transfer odhi.
Sharona wuoni oyango ni owadgi manyinge en Kevin Omuto ne lisasi omako e agoge e kinde moriko ni owuok e tich ka odhi dala kendo ne owito ngimane kanyo. Ywaruok ni kinde obila ka achiel kod jopiny mane okelo tho, hinyruok ka achiel kod kethruok mag mwandu, okwede kod jopiny ka achiel kod woman rep ma kaunti ma Migori Fatuma Mohamed bende koro ose obila kuom tiyo kod teko mathoth.
Security momiwa namba 1 gikia tije manokelo gi ka. Namba 1 security mobiro ka giweyo rito jopiny girito businesses mag ji mopogore lynching site mana namba 1 kama security moningo rito. Namba 2 miere jo pesa kanyo miyude security moningo bed ni ritowa.
Koro nyo giwuok gi kwe ma gidhi nyaka dho gate kanyo, lakini e kindgi moko kanyo moko nyochako bayo kite nikech kora pani kanyo nyisgi ni girito jatelo maduong' biro mondo wuok kodgi ne girito mar seche mang'eny. Koro gin ne gineno ni jogi ok dwar konyowa, koro gikawo chako bayo kite, gichako wang'o gik moko, gichako goro gi polise. Bang' mano koko nobedo mang'eny kabisa marach ma giwang'o gik moko ma vijana ariyo nonegi.
Jodak ma Nyatike kod jotelo ma opogore wacho ni gisebedo ka giywago rochruok mag arita kwe to tindari kwe ok osebedo ka winjo ywakgi ka koro giramo ni obila ma osebudho kanyo nyaka koro loki.
Jopiny ywak ka giwacho ni polise ma Nyatike ka osebudho, ging'iyo gi jopiny kata koko kuo mar bunde mar jooko no nitie gik maricho ma gineno ni polise gitimo nikech ng'iyo osebedo mang'eny. Ne gikwayo ni mondo jogi obed transferred. Action noko kaw ma jogi noko bedo transferred. Ok ni ok gidwaro police area, gidwaro police but giwacho ni kelnwa uru moko mapok ong'iyo gi jogi.
Mano kel Nyatike ka gingirito sites mag mining ogirit jopiny. Mar ang'wen mogik ne wakwayo telo mamalo mar gavana Ochilo gi teko ma en godo olwilnwa jogo miwa kata moko bio konywa nikech gisebudho ka.
Giwacho ni nitie jomahundu ma omanre kod bunde machal ka gima tiyo kod obila e monjo johala e kar dak ma Makalda. Kamishona ma Nyanza Flora Moro mane olimo tesend obila ni ma Makalda ne owacho ni obila onge kod lipot mar ng'at mane onegi kod lisasi ka gimong'eyo en obila maromo 6 noyudo hinyruok e kinde rakruokno kendo mwandu mathoth moting'o nyamburko mar obila ne okethore. Moro ne oseyo jopiny kuom tiyo kod teko mathoth e kinde mane gidhi manyo ratichgi e tesend obila ma Makalda.
Adek mokalo nitie nyako matin miluongo ni Jadida mane ogo gi bunde, chuore be nogo gi bunde, ma sani gin joma ong'ol. Jadida ok nyal wuotho kendo e ngimane. Sani en ng'ama ong'ol ma koro gikete wheelchair nyaka chieng'. Nyocha kijana moro bende matiyo M-Pesa mane area achiel bende ogo gi bunde ma eto to koro tho.
George Juma, Ramogi TV, Migori.
Koromogi wadok achiel nyaka gwenge mag Nyakache iko mar Captain George manen jariemb ndege winjane kaka neno itimo kaluwore kod jogo ma bende nitiere kanyo wa winjane gima dhi nyime.
Where are you? Kapeke, where are you? Anyway, that was the first child we were given to look after. I'll now go to the last child that George received sometimes last year from America for us to mentor, and we've been doing very well. And if you read her tribute, this was our first child. So I just want you to see him and know that he has lost a father. We educated him, took him through school, and he's now a teacher. Just go back. Then I'll go to Anel. Anel was brought to us to mentor. We decided to live with her. We thought that boarding school is not good for her. And if you read her tribute, you will know what Geo meant to her. By the way, she made Geo to reintroduce ice cream in the family. Just go back. This is Vera. She also belongs to George's sister. We lived with her. We brought her up. So I'll not allow them to talk. So that we... this is Brian. Brian also lived with us. Ni mtoto wa Jenny. If you knew George's youngest sister, she was called Jane. She passed on. We lived with Brian. Brian is a teacher and a nurse. Thank you. Then I have Christine. Christine is my sister's child. She also lived with us. And she's a fisheries officer in Homa Bay. This is Stephanie. Stephanie also lived with us. She's a teacher at Ruaraka High School. Munaona the number of degrees George produced. This beautiful girl here is called Tanya. Tanya is a PhD student in engineering in Spain, but she's married in Chile. She specifically came to bury her father. And if you read her eulogy, when she met the Chilean, it was to George she brought him. Another baby of the family, he's called Peter. We took Peter in when he was 4 hours old, when the mother died. Peter is a 4th-year medical student, University of Nairobi. Kazi ya Gio. Then I'm remaining with these two. They have wako na sura ya baba yao. So, Stacy, you will read? Yeah.
Good afternoon. My name is Stacy Were. I'm the daughter to George Were. I'm going to read my tribute. Dad, it's hard to believe I'm standing here talking to you like this. There are so many things I wish I could say to you, and so many moments I wish you could still share. You are such an incredible person, funny, gentle, and hardworking. You had a way of making people laugh even when things were difficult. Your humor and playful comments made life lighter, and being around you always made things feel a little better. But what I'll remember most about you is your kindness. You had such a gentle heart. You cared deeply about the people around you and always showed love through your actions. You were always there when we needed you. You also taught me the value of working hard and never giving up. You showed me what strength really looks like, not just in big moments, but in the everyday sacrifices you made for us. Daddy, losing you has left a space in my heart that will never be filled. But I know that everything you taught me, every laugh we shared, and every moment we made together will stay with me forever. I hope you know how much you are loved and how much you will always mean to me. You may be gone from my sight, but you'll never be gone from my heart. I love you always. Rest in peace, my sweet dad.
Koromo gimano kaka chenro mariko mar George dhi nyime gwenge mag Nyakach, Olua, bobo kelo ni kanyo report motenore kod ikono gigo mibro wachi kuno e wecho manyien mabiro. Kadhi nyime jatend piny Kenya William Ruto medo thuolo mar tich ne jaod bura machon manyatike Eddie Komondi Anyanga kaka jakom board marango chenro mag teko nuclear Kenya Nuclear Regulatory Authority. E boke mayiedhi mar piny owacho matatika par kod adek dweni jatend piny yango gwelo makamano kendo yango ni Anyanga dhi bedo e lemono kuom thuolo mar higni adek kendo. Anyanga ne omako lemono mokwongo dwe mar 2023 kae thuolo ne mar board mare osebedo kotayo chenro mag teko chike matayo weche teko nuclear pacho ka tudruok gi sekta mag nuclear pinje maoko e kinde ting' mamoko. E kinde ni makoro Kenya ochomo lek mar bedo gi teko nuclear, board mar Anyanga irango kaka dhi tayo chenro motenore kod bedo e sekta no, chiwo chike kod lesen mabiro neno ni teko nuclear luwo lai ma chik madwarore e kinde tije mamoko. Kaudhi nyime jatend piny Kenya William Ruto wacho ni maino masani piny owacho mare keto mana ni oganda duto ma jo Kenya yudo opande en ratichgi mok ni tem lombgi. Ruto ne loso Mombasa nyasi mar iftar mane okelo kanyakla jotelo mopogore din ma jo Islam masani ochomo kuma gidhi tieko nyasi mar tweyo mar Ramadhan. Joja oko mioler.
Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ne obago nyasi makende mar iftar mane okelo kanyakla jotelo mopogore moting'o gai mar duond buch ODM Migosi Oburu Oginga. E nyasi no mane obagie kar jot mar jatend piny Mombasa, Ruto ne oramo ni en ratiro mar oganda jo Kenya duto yudo kipande, wach mane osir gi jotelo mopogore mane oyuoro.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Mombasa tulifanya mpango kwa muda wa mwezi mmoja watu 9,000 waliweza kupata vitambulisho, watu ambao kwamba kikawaida kwa mtizamo wa wale wengine ambao kwamba ni wakabila vile vitambulisho wangelikuwa hawajapata.
And I still want to repeat, and I will continue repeating, that we must develop the Muslim areas, and we must give the Muslims the freedoms, the type you have given them, opportunity to have access to identity as Kenyans.
And even as we make it possible for every citizen to access an identity card and also a passport, it is not a favor that we are doing to anybody in Kenya. It is a right.
Ne bende olero ni en ratiro mar jotelo duto e pacho ka yudo lemo ai sirkal ka achiel kod chenro mag dongruok mokoni tende kete maino.
Kama Waislamu, whatever we are doing, the positions you have today in government, the rights you have today, they are not favors, they are rights, because you are entitled to them as all the other citizens of Kenya are entitled to them.
Agenda ni moja, kuhakikisha kwamba kura ya pwani inatoka milioni 2, tunaisukuma kwa nguvu ya Mwenyezi Mungu tuifikishe kura milioni 3.5 tunapopiga kura mwaka ujao.
Mheshimiwa Rais, wale wachache wa kabila, wabaguzi hawana nafasi katika Kenya ya leo, na ndio maana tunakuunga mkono, Your Excellency.
So that our dignity has been restored, and we will say it na mwisho tuko na wewe.
Ogai mar duond buch ODM Oburu Oginga ka achiel kod jotelo mamoko mane oyuore nyasi no ne osingo mar tiyo kanyakla gi Ruto kendo siro lek mare mar content piny Kenya e yiero mabiro.
After losing my brother who was the party leader of ODM, he used to come to you for iftar. Now I have replaced him. I don't know whether I fit the shoes, but I have made my own shoes.
Na kwa sababu wewe ndio kiongozi wa broad based government, mimi nataka nikuhakikishie kwa niaba ya viongozi wenzangu kwamba pale kura ambayo ilikuwa inaenda kwa Raila hapa pwani, ile kura sasa itaenda kwa William Ruto.
Tukimaliza sherehe ya sikukuu, tunaanza msafara wa pili kuweza kuhakikisha kila mmoja ameweza kuchukua kitambulisho chake, hata yule nyanya ambaye kwamba amedhulumiwa miaka yote awe na kitambulisho chake.
Tuna haki zote na tuna nguvu zote za kuhakikisha umeweza kuendelea kuwa rais wa Kenya.
Tukigawanyana tunakuwa wadhaifu, lakini tukisimama pamoja tutakuwa na nguvu na tutaendelea na tutafikisha Kenya mahali kila mmoja wetu atajivunia kwa Mkenya.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
Kwar mogodo ke gwenge mag Nyakach kama iko dhi nyime kendo winjane kaka itimo neno ma bende ichiwo kanyo gi e kindeni.
I've seen him cry 3 times in my life. When my mother died, when my brother died, and when my husband died. I saw him cry. Otherwise, the rest, anapitiaga tu. So, today, I just want to appreciate those who have supported us ever since this tragedy occurred. I learned of my husband's death on social media. I had the phone on my hand, and then I started seeing news. And I tried to call corporate helicopters, but I think Colonel Denge was also devastated, and he was not able to pick the phone. And when I realized it was him in social media, my first instinct was to call my children, because the way social media is, they were going to see it within the next 10 minutes or so. So I tasked one of my sons, Sami. I told him to call Joseph. They are very close. And I planned to call Stacy. Before I could call Stacy, Joseph had called Stacy to tell him that Daddy is normal. So when I called Stacy, she was so bitter that she was hearing it from her brother, and she refused to talk to me for 2 days. But Mama, I believe we are now good. Yes, you understand why that happened. And when I was told this, eventually Kanodenge got to call me, and he told, you know, Africans, you don't call somebody to tell somebody that somebody has died. You prepare them first and tell them that we don't think the news is good. And I told him, Paul, because Paul was also our best man at one time, I told him, no, my husband is not coming home. In fact, I even sent him a message asking him, Paul, is my husband coming home? And he didn't respond. So the rest, now you know. As I stand here, maybe if you hear it from the media, you'll think it's PR. But I want to thank His Excellency, the President, and the Deputy President from the bottom of my heart. You know, there's war in the Middle East, and getting air tickets is not easy. But that office, through our family friend, Dr. Reo Molo, made sure that my children came back. Within 2 days, I think, they were here. And I'm very, very grateful, because I know that even as they continue mourning, they will have some closure. They'll have some closure. As a military wife, I tell people that I've been more unmarried than married, because this man was always away. So even the children, whenever he was around, he would give them his time, but you can pretend that Daddy is somewhere and he's going to come back as you pray. Anyway, I thank the presidency, the deputy, and my brother here, Dr. Reo Molo. The other person I would like to thank is CS Murkomen. When George came from Eldoret, he was to be put in that metal box. And CS said, no. Captain cannot be put in a metal box. You have to give him a coffin. So we sacrificed one of the bodies to go in the box, and he has given us support. Thank you so much, CS Murkomen, wherever you are. I know you have stood with the family, and I know you are a personal friend to Gio. The amount of support that we have received, I can tell you, my husband was loved by people, because, okay, he never used to tell me who he is carrying. He'll tell me, nimebeba wenyeji, nimebeba neighbor, nimeenda kwa wenye nguvu. That is how he would never disclose who he's carrying, maybe until he comes back, then he'll tell me the nicer ones of you and the more official ones. But when he's going, it was always his top secret. I would also like to thank members of parliament, even though I felt bullied, but eventually what came out helped my children and helped me, and we will be eternally grateful. I would like to thank Mheshimiwa Engineer Sudi. You know what you've done for the family. We are talking, and we hope you will continue talking to us. Now, coming to my sister and my colleague, my husband loved flying you around, Madam Martha Karua. He loved flying you around. He loved your strictness because he was also a strict person, although he had a military background, but I was the militant. Mimi ndio nilikuwa wa kiboko. But he really appreciated the way you treated him when he was flying you during Azimio in 2022. And I would also like to thank His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka. He's been with us throughout. We have seen his hand. Na tunasema asante. I will not forget my Mheshimiwa Duma came home at 2 a.m. to condole with us. In fact, I had to yawn to make him go away, but he was with us. I will not forget our area MCA who has been with us throughout, and everybody else who has been with us. It will be not fair to mention corporate helicopters. You guys are wonderful. We hope we'll continue to be your family. In fact, I was saying that should I get a pilot in this family, I would point them to corporate helicopters. You take care of your own. I would like to thank my brother-in-law here. He's been my best friend in this family. Apart from George, he's been my best friend, and it has extended even in death. Daktari, I hope you'll be there for us, always, as you have been there for your brother. So when our mother-in-law died, George na Daktari ndio walikuwa wanapanga njama ya how to straighten the family. I know it's a very big loss. I want to thank the local administration. You have taken good care of us. You have provided us with the security. Outriders, actually yesterday you would think there's a dignitary that is being escorted. Little did they know that it's just my GO that was coming home for good. I'm not taking for granted our family Jokoyaro. Jokoyaro, thank you so much for standing with us and for being with us. My people of Alego, it started off in a very rough and bumpy manner, but you learned to appreciate my husband, and mumekuja kwa wingi. We have also seen your hands. Maybe you just wave. My legal fraternity. By the way, I'm a lawyer by profession, but this military man managed to make me a housewife to look after the children. So he was providing, and me, I was sitting at home, maybe just doing a bit of work, but looking after these children. That is why you see they have come out the way. The ladies who are here, learn to give your children time. When you don't give them time, baba natafuta huku, mama natafuta huku, watoto watarokota ile bangi iko kwa estate. And there's a lot of it in my estate. I will not forget New Kitizuru residents, my new pastors. They were on the way. I believe they have not come, but they also stood with us, and they really supported us. My friends, Atieno, just stand up, Nyangia. Atieno has been my friend since class 4. Actually, most of them, we were either friends in primary, and then we went to secondary, and we are still friends. We are a group of 10 ladies, and they've been very supportive. So I thank everybody who has come to help us mourn my husband. I hope you will keep us in prayers. I know Mheshimiwa Wamalwa has come in late. You were my classmate in LLM at the University of Nairobi. I'm a 2016 LLM student. Thank you so much for condoling with us. Everybody else, we are grateful. We are truly, truly grateful. Don't leave us. Continue holding our hands. We have given our requests to the government, especially for these 2 children, and I know the government will respond and take care of us. Otherwise, thank you so much. I can't forget my sister-in-law, wife to Daktari. She's always been my younger sister. She's been with me throughout, through thick and thin. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Pole zetu kwa familia. May the good Lord continue keeping you, being with you every single minute, every single second, every hour, and every single day. Naona kama hali ya hewa imeanza kubadilika kidogo. Itabidi tuanze kasi kidogo. Allow me to acknowledge the funeral committee, both Nairobi chapter and Nyaka chapter. Hawata kuja hapa kwa wote. Maybe the chairman. Thereafter, Brigadier Tanui, naomba uwe karibu. Brigadier Tanui, naomba karibu sana. The chairperson, Nairobi Funeral Committee, will give you just a minute.
Nyakwaromogi mano en chenro ma dhi nyime mariko mar Captain George kendo ineno kanyo kosechiw neno mopogore opogore. Report machal kama Nyakwaromogi biro yudo saa 1 mar odhiambo ka 1 kod saa 3 mane mokelo e giko mar miweche manyien e chenro mar Migago warom saa 8 e chenro mar paw tuke nyinga Ochieng' Manuel.
Inawatakia Ramadhan Mubarak. Tumia muda mchache sokoni na muda mwingi kwa mambo yenye umuhimu zaidi. Bidhaa muhimu na halisi tena za kuaminika kwa bei nafuu, zikiletwa hadi mlangoni mwako. Fanya oda sasa kupitia Citizen Duka app ama kwenye tovuti ya citizenduka.com au tuma agizo lako kwa WhatsApp kupitia nambari 0710 487 487. Citizen Duka, the home of discount.
Every city has a place where its story comes to life. Set in Africa's safest city, Kigali Paramount Hotel welcomes you with comfort and ease. Rooms opening to stunning views of Kigali's skyline. With exclusive view travel rates from $70 per person sharing or $120 for a single room. Relax at the spa. pool, gym, or at the lounge as you sip and dine, with every detail designed for your comfort. Explore Kigali's vibrant culture just moments away. Whether for business or leisure, everything you need is right here. Book your stay with View Travel.
Matonga. Ochal na manaka nga mangeyo. En ngawa. Wako darajiv ngani en nga.
Aya, tunaanza pale bila katikati. Rasmus anaanza. Anamtafuta Bruno Fernandes. Bruno Fernandes Kipto. Bruno Fernandes anamtafuta Maino Kipto. Kijana kutoka Marakwet. Maino anamtafuta kule huyu ni Marcus Rashford. Marcus Rashford kivit. Anakwenda. Marcus Rashford kivit. Anapiga kule crossing. Ndani. Anajiita Rasmus Olam Kiptonoi. Ameweza kuiongoza ile timu bao 1-0.
Dial *811*404# to get Man U as your skiza tune.